That blower motor still is what it always has been. It's just controlled differently now. And like guys will get held up on, we used to control it from the power side. We used to control it with a resistor on the power side. And then all they did was move it to the ground side, but
right.
it screwed everybody up.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
that's, you just got to keep it simple. You look at it, you go, oh, okay, well, since I can read that wiring diagram, I can tell that they just moved that resistor and that whole control to the other side. But if you can't read a wiring diagram and you're not familiar, at least with reading them, then you can't figure that type of stuff out. And that's where
Yeah.
you get to instances where you'll get a customer that comes in and says, yeah, well, they told me to take it to an electrical shop because, it's just that small thing. And that's not to knock anybody. And my way is to never knock anybody, because it's not that you'll see, I don't get on people for not knowing anything. It's just that it's the don't know anything and claim that they do and then want to put us down.
Yes.
You know what I mean? Like, where the guys that just don't know, listen, I can show you. And it's not in like a, yo, you're dumb way. It's in like, I did it the same way. I made those same mistakes. Check engine lights used to ruin my day, man. Like, it was like, forget it. Because it came in and you knew you weren't going to fix it, right? Like, I didn't know how to find lean codes. I was an Identifix tech. You know what I mean? Click and whatever the confirmed fix was, we all were. Everybody was. And once I changed that bad habit, and like I said, I started using that meter and the test light, and I got out of that flat rate game.